Hey, mamacita. Hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite YouTuber, Jordan Gold, and today I'm gonna give you a tutorial of an app called BeU. So before we start the tutorial, don't forget to click the subscribe button, thumbs up button, and I also put a timestamp on the description below. Okay guys, so now we are on the camera section and also in the AR emoji section. So if you scroll here, you can see a lot of the emoji. And also this is not all of the emoji. If you want to search it again, you can scroll to explore and here will be all of the emoji. Okay, so here there's the hot one, new, AR masks, memes, emblems, accessories, BeU and pets. So I have a pet. This one kind of cool and cute. And let we try to explore more. BeU, you can be a pirate. Hi, captain. And in accessories, you can get a hat. And let we try a lot of it. Memes. Okay, so you can be, who is this guy? Ryan Gosling. And you can also be Keanu Reeves. Memes. Hey. Okay, and my most favorite, like obviously on memes, are Shrek, and there's also SpongeBob. So if you want to start recording, you just have to click it. You can also add the music, so we click add a music, and there's the recommended music that are available here. You can just click apply, but I want to go to upload it. So in here, I'm gonna choose this song, The Universe Needs You, Sapajo. So if you want to apply it, you can just apply it right away. And if you want to cut it to a specific area or minutes, you can click cut. And if you find the right one, you can just click. Okay, so if you find the right one, you just click it and you can start recording, but for memes it's better. For photos, so we're gonna click explore and let me check AR Mask. Okay, so this is kind of cool, but I'm gonna choose the other one. Or maybe let we just choose the pirate one. Okay, so to start recording, you just have to click the button and it will start recording right away. Okay guys, our video is done. I just finished recording. And now it's time for editing. So first, let's not forget about filter up here. So there's a vintage, light, warm, and a lot of it. So maybe we apply one of it. And I think Nordic is kind of nice, or summer. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose Nordic. And there's effect. So effect is a sound effect, but I'm not gonna use it because it's better to use sound effect if you use your original voice on your video. And there's also download button, so you can download your video. You just have to click download, and now it's downloading. And you can also send your video. You just have to click this, and you can send it to your videos, and you can send to your friends also. If you want to send it to your friends, you just have to click the list of your friends. But if you don't want to, you just unclick it. Just press it again until it's white. And to send it, you just have to click send, and it's sent. And now we're just gonna make a talking video, so you can just click X on here, so there's no music applied here. And you can choose the emoji that you want to choose. Hey, mamacita. And when you're done, you can just click done. And you can apply the sound effect. Hey, so let me try this one.
Hey, mamacita.
Hey, mamacita. And when you already picked the one, you can just click send, and I'm gonna send it to my videos. So now we're done with the camera section, and we can check it out, and that's our video. So now we go to the chatting section. So in this chatting section, okay, so somebody already chat me today. Namiro, hi. So in here, there's a few options that you can do. First, you can send them a message to hi, like that. You can also send them a picture if you wanted to. Click the picture and click confirm when you're done. And you can also send an emoji. There's a lot of it here. You can also send a voice message. So if you want to send them a voice message, you can just hold it. Hey, how are you? And when you're done recording, you can just open your hand and you can listen to your voice again. And you can also change it like this.
Hey, how are you? And
hey, how are you? And so if you want to send it, you can just click send. If you don't want to send it, you can click cancel. And now I'm just gonna click cancel because I'm not gonna send voice message. And then here, this button works for if you want to send them a video. You can use emoji mask, AR mask, memes, emblems, and also accessories. And to be honest, accessories is my favorite filter. And I mean, all of it, it's amazing. I like it all. But you know, I like the mustache thing, and we're just gonna try. Ooh, so I have a hat without paying for one, and let me try the other one. And also a back AF, it's like a filter, so we can try like there's a smoke. For some filter, it's maybe for you had a like flash issue, you know, like so I don't want to show it to you. And this is the rain one. Oh well, this is scary. I'm not gonna use this one. Ooh, superstar. So you can just click record. And when you're done, you can just release your finger from the phone. You click done. You can save it if you like the video. You can also give a sound effect if you want it. And there's also a filter, let's not forget about it. Film, not gonna lie, I really love the film filter. It's like a film, obviously, that's why it's called film. And I'm gonna download it for sure. So it's downloading. And if you want to send it to your friends, you can just click send. Should I send? No, I'm not gonna send it because we're just talk. So if you want to send it, you can just click send, and the video will only appear for 24 hours, and after that it will be deleted right away, like that. And I'm just gonna click back. Yeah, that's for the chatting section. Now there's a trophy thing. You can click it, so it's a ranking, and I'm on the 3rd rank. You can see friends ranking 2, and I'm also on the 3rd rank. So this is a game from this app to get ranked, and this is the top 10 from yesterday. And there's also the one from last week. So now if you want to play the game, you can click play the game right away, or you can also go to this camera section. Section again, and there's game, and you just have to click start to play the game. Okay, so I lose and my score was 126. And you can save it if you want. You can share it too, but I don't want it to. That's my score, and that's it for the score area. And now if you want to add a friends, you can click this button, and in here this is all of your friends, and you can add more friends. Just click add friends, and in here there's a list of people from your contact. This is the list of top users of this app, and this is the people that you might know. So first, let me just check the top users. So there's a lot of them. So we're just gonna click the first top user. She has a lot of score, 31,000. And this is her friends. You can see her friend list if you wanted to. and this is her videos and her photos. You can open it and you can also give it a like if you wanted to. Done, like that. And if you want to add them, you can just click add. So I'm just gonna click add and it's sent. So if they accept it, she will be my friend right away. And because no one is requesting to be my friends yet, so later in this friend list there's like requests, and you can just click accept or reject. And guys, I just checked it out that I just got a friend request. So before we don't got a friend request, and I just checked now we got a friend request. So if you want to add them, you can just click add or the checklist button, and if you don't want to add them, you can just click X. And you can also check their profile by click their profile like that, and you can add them afterward, or you can even reject them right away like that. And here is our profile. There is my videos and my photo. So now let me just check out my video. So this is a video that I upload to here, and I edit it with a sound and also with a filter, so it looks nice. So this video has no likes yet, and if you want to delete it, you can just click delete, but I don't want to, so we click back, and down here we scroll a little, and this is our photos gallery, and this is the picture that I really like, Shrek, and there's no likes yet. It's okay because I don't have really much friend yet in here. Soon I'll get a lot of likes. And if you want to delete it, you can just click delete it, but I won't. And let me just try to delete one photo. So I'm gonna delete this. Done. And guys, if you want to upload a photo, you can just click this plus button, and then here is your picture gallery. And you can also, if you want to take a picture right away, you can click this. But now we just upload the photo, so we click all, and then here we can see all of our picture folder, and you can just search the folder that has your image there. And now we can see the list of our photos. You can just click the photo and you can confirm right away, or you can click preview first, and this is how it looks like. And if you're done, you can just click confirm, and it's uploaded. And guys, if you want to upload a video, you can just click plus, and in here will be all of the list of your video, and you can just click which video you want to use. Here's my video, and you just can click confirm. You can click play to see the video, and in here you can also set your video if you want it to be shorter or the full video, and if it's done, you can just click completed. And that if you don't want the video to be edited. But if you want your video to be edited, you can click this, and you click upload a video up here. You can click the video again, click completed, and you can add a music. So in here there's the recommended music and upload. So we just search for the music and we just click apply, and you can also give an filter. This one kind of nice, and also a sound effect if you want, but I'm just gonna choose original. And you can just click share and share to my video, and also you can share it to your friends if you wanted to, and it's uploaded. And this is about our photos and videos. And what if you don't want your photos and video to be seen by people? You can edit it by just click the setting button up here, and then here there's a new version if you want to download the new version, and there's privacy. You just click privacy. So in here there's three settings: allow access to your friend list, allow access to your videos, allow access to your pictures. So friend list is about, do you want people to see your friend list or not? If you don't want it, you can click off, but if you want it for your friends only, you can click friends. And it also applies for your videos and picture. You want people to see it, or only your friends, or you don't want anybody to see it, you can just click off on both. And if you're done, you can just click confirm, and you're done. Okay guys, so in our profile there's our friend list. So if you want to see your friend list, you can just click their photos, and in here there will be their videos and also photos. So if you want to check their video, you can just open it, and if you want to give a like, you can just click this heart button, and if you want to download it, you can just click this download button. And also it works the same for their photos. If you want to give a like, you can just click the heart button. And also you can check their friends. You just have to click this and you can scroll to the list and you can check them and also add them if you want. Just click add. We also can delete them by click this 3 button and click delete if you wanted to. And we just click back. Okay guys, so to register, you just have to click register, select your country, enter your phone number, click next, set up your password, upload the photo, set your username, click confirm, and you're done. And to log in, you just need your phone number and also your password and you're done. That's simple. And after you finish register, you click your profile first. And in here, you should make your ID. You just set your ID and I'm just gonna write Jordan Golds. And I'm done. And you can also edit your profile first. You can click this button or this button. And I'm just gonna click this one. And in here, there's a profile picture, username, ID, gender, birthday, school, and bio. So you can change your profile picture, you can change your username also, birthday you can change it, school you can change also, and bio you can just click it, and you can type anything you want on your bio like that. And we click back and we're back in our profile. Up here, this blue button, there's a point, and if you want to see how to get it, you can just click it. So in this achievement page, you can see your point also, and the top point, and also how much you have achieved. So this is the medal, and there's also grade. So if you don't know and then what does this mean, you can just click it. Like example, scroll up a little bit and there's a cool body. We just click it. Like a friend's video, 1 point for like once. So we click confirm and we can just go to our friend's profile and give their video a like. And I think that's it for the tutorial today. Okay guys, that's it for the video today. I hope this is helpful and I hope you also enjoy it. And I also put the download link on the description below for you to download it. And this is the end of the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, thumbs up button, and also share this video to all of your family and friends and everywhere you can, and all of your social media also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you all and peace, and see you next time. And also watch my other videos and follow my social media too. Bye guys!